Rock on, I love that. Weather-wise, it is a cold and frosty start to the day, but plenty of crisp winter sunshine. Doesn't last all weekend, though. I'll have all the details of that tomorrow coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Friday.
Laura. And, you know, it's the first day of meteorological winter, so we class it from the 1st of December for our climate stats because the equinox can change. And it feels wintry, cold and frosty. In fact, the coldest night of the season so far with minus 9.1. Most people will step outside today to see a covering of frost and ice on the car. So if you are travelling in your car, you'll need to allow an extra 5 minutes or so to scrape that windscreen. Temperatures are climbing, though. At the moment, these are our top temperatures, how they look today. But by Monday, they are climbing. So if the cold is too much for you, milder weather on the way next week, but also the return of wet. Well, it looked like a winter wonderland for Andy there. And the air in Scandinavia is heading our way. The winds at the moment are coming all the way from Stockholm right across the UK. Today for Andy, it's -2. And this morning for all of us, we're in this cold air, the exact same cold air mass that Andy has over in Stockholm. Good morning to you. It is a cold, frosty start to the day, but there'll be plenty of sunshine. Here's how it looks on the latest satellite and radar. Clear skies for many, and it means temperatures have fallen to nearly -10, making it the coldest night of the season so far. You will need to scrape those windscreens first thing this morning. It is largely dry, but showers for northern and eastern areas means it could be icy underfoot. And yes, gorgeous sunshine today, largely dry, but temperatures really struggling, 4 or 5 at best, and staying cold into the weekend. Good morning to you. If you haven't looked outside yet this morning, icy weather is around. You will need to scrape those windscreens this morning because the cars are frozen solid. But it means gorgeous sunshine greets us. The latest satellite and radar is largely clear and dry. Some showers for northern and eastern areas. And with these falling onto the cold surfaces, it could be a little bit icy. I remember it was the summer of '96, and that one just played over and over and over and over again. So yeah, I love it. Nostalgia, fantastic. Weather-wise, this is it. Cold, frosty and icy. Get ready to scrape those windscreens. Yes, clear, starry skies yet again last night means it would be a sunny start this morning. But it is cold and frosty. Temperatures nearly -10 overnight, the coldest night of the season so far. A widespread frost, some fog in the south that'll be slow to clear. But we're greeted by sunshine. A few showers across northern and eastern coast onto cold surfaces could turn icy and cold enough for them to be sleet or snow. Temperature-wise, just struggling above freezing, and it stays this way for the whole of the weekend, just in time for meteorological winter.